Hello students, this is Charu ma'am, your science teacher. Today we will learn about the step involved in nutritional process. As there are 5 steps involved in nutritional process, and those are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So today we will learn about the process ingestion. What is ingestion? It is a process by which food is taken inside the body of an organism. As there are special structures present in each organism for taking in food in their body. For example, amoeba takes in the food through the false feet or pseudopodia present in its body, and there is a tongue present inside the mouth of frog through which it catches its prey. And in the same way, various organisms have different special structures for taking in the food required for their growth of the body. In human body, food is taken through mouth. From mouth it passes through number of organs constituting alimentary canal or digestion tract. Let us learn about the mechanical processes involved in chewing of food when we put the food in our mouth, and the food processing gets started from mouth itself. Let us learn about mouth. What is mouth? Mouth contains tongue, teeth and salivary glands. As you know that there are total 32 teeth present in our mouth, 16 in each jaw. That is, there are two jaws, lower and upper jaw, and 16 teeth are present in each jaw, 16 in lower jaw and 16 in upper jaw. So function of teeth is to help in breaking the bigger food particles into smaller pieces by a mechanical process called chewing, and tongue helps in mixing saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is a watery substance which is secreted or released from salivary glands which are present in our mouth, and the saliva helps in mixing the food properly with the help of tongue. And the next is teeth. Teeth are located in our jaws, lower and upper jaws. In the mouth cavity, they are fixed to the gums. As you are already familiar that teeth has two parts, that is crown and root part, and the root part is embedded in the gums, whereas the visible white part of the teeth is the crown part. And there are total 32 teeth present in our mouth, and based on the structure and the function, teeth are of four types. They have been divided into four categories, and those four categories are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. We will study about these types of teeth one by one. The first type of teeth is incisor. There are total 8 teeth of incisors which are present in our mouth, 4 in each jaw, and these are located in front center of the mouth, and these type of teeth help in biting the or cutting the food. And the next category of teeth is canines. There are total 4 canines which are present in our mouth, and these canines are located next to the incisors, one on each side of the incisor, that is 2 in lower jaw and 2 in upper jaw. These type of teeth help in tearing or shredding the food, and canines are more stronger than the incisors. And the next category is premolars. There are total 8 premolars, and these are located after canines, that is 2 on either sides of the canines, or we can see total 4 in lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw. These type of teeth help in chewing the food. And the last type of teeth is molars. There are total 12 molars teeth present in our mouth, that is 6 in lower jaw, 6 in upper jaw, or we can say 3 on either side of the premolars. and these type of teeth help in chewing and grinding the food very well. And the next topic is tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back and free at the front. It performs following functions. First, it helps in mixing the chewed food with saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is a watery substance secreted by salivary glands which are present in mouth. It contains 99% water and digestive enzymes, and these enzymes help in breaking down the starch present in food into simpler sugars like glucose. And the second function of tongue is swallowing of food. When the food gets mixed with saliva properly, then it gets swallowed inside the food pipe. Third function is it helps to detect different taste of food with the help of taste buds. There are different taste receptor cells which are present in the tongue at different locations, which help in detecting the taste of food, whether the taste of food is sour, salty, sweet, bitter. As you can see in the picture, there are locations of taste buds present for each type of taste.